Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use slash commands on Discord. Slash commands are a brand new and fun way to communicate with bots on Discord. It simplifies the procedure in order to interact with the bots. So today I am going to show you how to use slash commands on your Discord account. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. For example, let's go to the server. I'll click this general channel and here I'll type the message bubble at the bottom. To use slash commands, put a forward slash and a pop-up menu will appear and show all the slash commands that is available in your server. For example, this forward slash ban that will ban a member from your server. You can also use this forward slash clear which will delete a channel's message. Also, this forward slash mute that will mute a member in this server. So let's try. For example, you want to insert a poll in this channel. So what you need to do is just type a forward slash and choose this forward slash poll. Then here, you need to first enter your question. For example, I will type in choose between hamburgers or fries. After that, make the options by clicking these boxes beside optional. Then type the first option. So I will type in hamburgers. After that, type on this choice B box and type in the second option, which is fries. Once done, press the send button and now the poll was made. There you go. If you wanted to know how to use slash commands on your Discord account, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use slash commands on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.